Hello everyone, I would like to share the idea how to make concrete slabs or concrete pavers. And for that you will need mold. Mold you can buy online, or if you are a creative person you can make yourself. This mold I made myself. I was using Polytech poly rubber. Original slab I made out of clay, and later on I used the rubber to cast the mold, and after I had the mold I started to make the tiles.
I am going to treat the rubber with a little bit of oil, that the concrete wouldn't stuck and the slab would easier come out of the mold. I will need coarse sand, 10 mm gravel or pea shingle, cement, water, a bit of super plasticizer to make concrete slab. It is ready. I am going to use bike tire and old sander to vibrate the mold.
The concrete set up, so it's time to remove. If it's sunny and nice day, it's possible to make around 3 slabs per day, but if it's cold, only 1 or sometimes 2.